Luca. Sister. Sister, sister, my lifetime friend, always beside me till the very end, cheering me up, pushing sorrows down, and laughing our hearts out, no worries and no doubts. Sister, sister, my lifetime friend, always beside me till the very end, baking pies, eating fries, and singing out together the best lullabies. Sister, sister, my lifetime friend, always beside me till the very end, helping me climb a tree and reading out for me the best story. Sister, sister, my lifetime friend, always beside me till the very end, buying me candy, always come in handy, building up with me towers so tall. Baby Shark. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark. Let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt. Run away, run away, run away, run away. Safe at last, safe at last, safe at last, safe at last. It's the end, 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 it's the end. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Ankles, elbows, feet and seat, feet and seat. Ankles, elbows, feet and seat, feet and seat, and hair and hips and chin and cheeks. ankles, elbows, feet and seat, feet and seat. Feet and tummies, arms and chins, arms and chins. Feet and tummies, arms and chins, arms and chins, and eyes and ears and mouth and shins. Feet and tummies, arms and chins, arms and chins. Hands and fingers, legs and lips, legs and lips. Hands and fingers, legs and lips, legs and lips, and eyes and ears and mouth and hips. Hands and fingers, legs and lips, legs and lips. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa.
Johnny, Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar,
No, Papa.
telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha.
Johnny, Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar,
No, Papa.
telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha. Here's to you, Mother.
As she laid in her bed, all sick, her kids gathered around her quick. Mother, tell us what's wrong. Don't worry, we'll help. We're really strong. But only a weak cough was her reply. She was so tired, and that was no lie. And so, to help, the kids have decided, all as one, with love they were guided.
Mother, Mother, here's to you. We'll all help you through till you be strong, all better along. Yes, that's what we will do. Yes, that's what we will do.
I stand upon the moon. And do you know what else I do? I explore galaxies.
You are an astronaut.
I wear a uniform. I fight crimes everywhere. And do you know what else I do? I save people.
You are a policeman.
I plant a lot of seeds. I take care of the soil. And do you know what else I do? I grow trees.
You are a gardener.
I put out all the fires. I rescue everyone. And do you know what else I do? I respond to emergencies.
You are a firefighter.
I bake the sweetest cakes and tasty pies too. And do you know what else I do? I make donuts.
You are a baker. My teacher.
My teacher wears a happy smile and tells stories that are worthwhile. My teacher knows it all and hangs maps on the wall. My teacher gives us support. Doesn't matter if you're tall or short. My teacher wears a happy smile and tells stories that are worthwhile. My teacher knows it all and hangs maps on the wall. My teacher gives us support. Doesn't matter if you're tall or short. My teacher is bright and smart, teaches us math, science and art. My teacher helps my mind. My teacher is sweet and kind. I'm really so grateful for you and all the things that you do.
Little balloon. Little balloon, it flew to the moon and landed beyond the star. It felt all alone, just all on its own, and floated away so far. Little balloon, it flew to the moon and landed right on the tree. Along came a boy who had lost his toy. He climbed up and he set it free. Little balloon, it flew to the moon, floating around and round. It felt